In this video I'm going to show you how to install the ink in the ink tank of your Canon MAXIFY printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, lift it from this side. To install it you have to open the cap and also open the bottle and place it here and press it down. Now take the bottle, close it. Now if you want you can just discard this bottle. Magenta. Open the bottle and place it here. Ink is filled in. We can take it and close this cap. Go to the next. Now we can take it out, close it and also close this cap. Now go to the black, open the black, place it here. Once it is completely filled in, you can just take it out, close this seal and you can just discard the bottle. So we have completely filled in the ink tank, so you can just lift this section up and let it go. So this way we can install the ink in this printer. Thanks for watching.